Hi, I'm Mike. Today I'm going to show you how to fit Kingspan Thermakraft multi-fit pipe and cable seals. This is our purely pipe seal, no wires through this one, anywhere from 15mm up to 110mm. Like for the smaller one, it's got a coating on the top we need to just peel off like this. You can actually see the etches from this side showing very obviously. If I rub my finger on the backing, they show out even more, all pre-etched or pre-notched. If I turn it over, you can also see those clearly, but it doesn't actually go right through this side. Right, now we'll get my knife and I'll just do a little nick on the appropriate size. Obviously you want this to be a little bit tighter around the pipe. Like we've done with this smaller, the wire slash pipe, we've got to clean that surface again. I've just nicked this with the knife. A little nick with the knife on the inside means that it should be able to just pull out very, very easily. So I've just nicked that. Now just grab that and carefully pull it out. You won't damage any of the remaining etches. Like in this case, we've left the bigger etch on the outside, that's still there. Very strong EPDM. Ready to go. It's going to be a nice tight snug fit, and we'll be putting it over in a diamond fashion so the water runs away easily. The tape sticks incredibly well, so I've just got to be careful tearing the backing off. I'm just going to get that top started, keep it in the diamond fashion. Right, now that's aligned and I can carefully pull this away as I go down. So we're going to carefully just smooth this down as I go. And I'm just going to carefully go to the other side and get it nice and flat down there. It's a very high adhesion tape, so once it's on, it's on. So you want to do this a little bit slowly. It might take you about a minute maximum. And that's it, just smooth it around nicely. Now in this case it's going over a rigid board, so it's going to be fine left exposed for 180 days. If it wasn't over a rigid, it would be okay exposed for 90 days. OneSeals, simple, effective, and keeps your wall system airtight.